Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel End of Ignorance. Friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a battery out of a potato. Yes, you heard that right, a potato. Friends, with just a few simple materials, you can create a small amount of electricity using the power of nature. So why to wait? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's go over the materials we will need for this experiment. First is potatoes, second copper and zinc plated electrode, multimeter, LED light bulb and some alligator clips. Now coming to the procedure part, first we have to insert the copper and zinc electrode inside the potato, leaving some gap in between the two, like this. Now, with the help of alligator clips, connect the electrodes in series, like connecting the zinc electrode of one potato to the copper electrode of the next potato, and keep connecting like this for the remaining electrodes in the remaining potatoes. Friends, you will observe that at the end point, you will have a zinc electrode on one end and a copper electrode at the other end with their alligator clips connected. Now connect this with the LED. Look at this, friends. The LED light bulb just turned on, signaling that this potato battery is working. One thing to keep in our mind is that current can only flow through LEDs in one direction. It is important to connect the copper electrode, that is positive electrode, to the longer lead of the LED and the zinc electrode, that is negative electrode, to the shorter lead. Your LED will never light up if it is connected backwards. Now coming to the explanation part. So what's happening here? The potato battery works because of potatoes contain a small amount of acid that can react with metals in the electrodes and wire. This reaction creates a flow of electrons which can be harnessed to power a small device like an LED light bulb. Specifically, the reaction occurs between the zinc and copper in the galvanized electrodes and the copper wire respectively. When the electrode is inserted into the potato, it reacts with the acid in the potato, which causes the zinc atom on the surface of the electrode to lose electrons and become positively charged zinc ions. The electrons that are released by the zinc atoms then flow through the wire to the copper, which gain those electrons and becomes negatively charged. This electron transfer creates a flow of electricity, which can be used to power a device like an LED light bulb. There you have it, a potato cell or potato battery. While the amount of electricity produced by a potato battery is very small and not practical for most uses, it can be a fun science experiment to do at home or in classroom to learn about basic principle of electricity and circuits. I hope today you enjoyed this video and get to know something new. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Dhanyavad.